you're sitting on my bed with me right now. How are we feeling? Good? Nice. I'm a fashion student and I thought it would be kind of fun to show you my weekend outfits. I thought I had a lot of time to just like dress up cute for university and for classes and stuff the way I usually do, and I thought I would take you through my week within my outfits. But I thought I'd give you a quick introduction to my style. I don't think my style is set in stone. I really like to experiment with a lot of things. I really like edgy, but I also really like cute and chic. I am influenced by very many different things, but I think one of the things that impacted my personal style the most was K-pop. I love experimenting with different styles and textures. I love little details and I love accessories. It's just so fun how I just love how accessories can change your entire outfit. My wardrobe consists of black and white and exceptionally beige, maybe some green. I don't follow trends. I don't like to follow micro trends, and I don't really like to follow trends unless they speak to me and my personal style that I developed. I like to, I don't know, what's my personal style? What's my personal style? It depends on what I'm doing. I like to dress up. It's really fun. I like to look my best because a good outfit just like boosts my self-esteem. But in general, I like to, I like to be fashionable, I guess. I'll put some inspiration pictures up here from my Pinterest board that I saved. I just wear whatever makes me feel good. With that introduction out of the way, let's go, I guess. Let's start my week. Unfortunately, I have to take over a shift, and so we're starting off Monday boring. Very anticlimactic. But if I learned anything, never give away the best storyline, the best plot right in the beginning. Keep the audience suspenseful and looking forward to better things. I have no feeling for temperature, so let me stick up my arm. It's currently 9:30. It's gonna get hotter. I have a dress code for work, so technically I can't wear shorts, but like if it gets like 86 degrees outside, I don't want to wear jeans. Wow, she is serving, literally. I thrifted the shorts. I think they're men's boxers actually. They're really cute. Can you see that they have like this button detail? You probably cannot see, right? To take your pee-pee out. To make pee-pee. The day's over. It's like 6:30. The day's done. I'm so sorry. Today was very boring. Let's have a kitchen talk, okay? You and me together, okay? In my kitchen with my trash. Hey, let's talk honestly. Today was very boring. I apologize. I did not count on going to work. And because of work, I'm dressed boring. But we also have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So look forward to some better stuff. Okay? See you tomorrow. Okay. Wow. Stop shaking. I have 20 minutes before I need to go to class, so I'm just putting on jewelry, and I think I'm just gonna put these in normal silver hoops, and I just threaded safety pins through them, to like be edgy or whatever. Good. Other plans with my hair, but because it's still wet I can't brush it and I can't really part it, and so it's whatever, okay? And what I look like from the back is none of my business, so I don't care. What I really like about this outfit is just the flowiness and the layers, and it's just that the skirt doesn't fully close, and so it like gives a peek of the shirt underneath, which I think is really interesting. It just kind of like creates more dimension. And then additionally with the tie and the bows and the hair, it just gives a little bit more depth to the outfit, which I think is just very interesting to look at. Besides the fact that the satiny material of the button-down shirt is in contrast with the kind of like stiffer material of the tie and the skirt, and I think it's very interesting to look at. And then the blazer is just like super oversized. I think it's a man's large or something. I thrifted it and I put it on and it was just very beautiful. But I really love just like the oversized, I just like oversized everything, and so I really was drawn to the blazer. If we could run it back and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it back and do you wonder if we could run it back. We are so sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast, but it's Joanna from the past, and I just couldn't wait. I got something in the mail, and I debated waiting until next week to open it. I just couldn't for the video. I'm sorry, but like, my 10 subscribers are just not worth waiting. My album came in the mail! Okay, shall we open it together? Shall we open it together? Okay, come here, come here, come here. I don't care about the setup. I really do not care. Oh, I found the CD. Let's have a flip through. This is the special edition, if you couldn't tell, if you didn't know. Oh, wow. Oh, am I breaking it? Please say no. Oh, wow. I was like, is that Elmo? It's not Elmo. Oh, wow. You can't see him. I'm not even sorry. I don't care. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We love a jeans skirt, jeans combo. Yo! Wow. Do you see this? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? I'm gonna tattoo this on my ass. We're now looking at the inclusions. I think I have 2 posters. Whoa! Whoa! That's sick. Poster number 2. Wait, is this a 1-member poster? Can I show you first? Is this the right way? Is it the right way? Oh! Whoa! You can't see, I don't care. It's so big, it's huge! More pictures. I don't want to look at the photo cards. I'm scared of them coming out okay. Oh! Hyunjin. He looks so cool. Oh, wow. Dude, this is so much So the special edition have photo cards with the members' hands on the back, and I saw a hand, and I saw a snippet, just a little peek at somebody's nail color, and I think I might know which member I pulled. I'm gonna predict it now, but I think I pulled Chan. Stickers! Okay, and then we have... I saw the photo card again. I can't. I'm not looking. These! Ha! More stickers! And then we have a group photo card. No, photo card. Postcard thingy. Oh, right! And then these. So we have... Oh, all of them. I was like, it's just 1 member. Wow. I love the concept for this album. This is really cool. And then I have this. Small. Okay. I'm gonna show you first. Ready? Who is it? 1, 2, 3. Singing? Okay. Who is it? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
I think I'll do a wraparound.
Dude, pulling your bias is like heroin. I know. I did it, like when I pulled out everything, I just saw this and I was like, that's Chan's finger. I can tell. Wow. Okay, back to regular programming. I need a drink.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go.
class in the morning and then a meeting later after class, so I put on the basics first. It was really humid today, so a long dress was probably a very bad decision, but I really liked it. My mom gave it to me and I think it's really cute. It's very good for layering, and so I debated layering it with a corset or like a harness. I also see myself layering like a turtleneck underneath, or maybe some sheer fabric, a long sleeve or something. Even if you layer something over it, I think it's a really good basic to have for layering, but I wasn't really feeling it today. If it hadn't been hot, I would have worn this thin pleather coat over it. Maybe the green blazer from Tuesday would have also looked really cool with this outfit. I really see it. I really like the different kind of lengths. And layering something long over something long is always a good idea in my book. Because my hair was still damp, I just tied a ribbon around it to keep it out of my face. I didn't want a dent in my hair from like having a real ponytail in my hair, so I just tied it out of my face with a ribbon that I had left over. After class, I braided my hair and then I just added some black ribbons to pick up the color of the loafers. The frilly socks are really cute with the loafers, but I could have also worn my dogs. I was kind of like debating it because it was really warm and humid, but I kind of like just stuck with the loafers. The sandals though were super comfortable, and I'm no strangers to socks and sandals. I should have probably just worn the sandals. It was too hot for my loafers, but it's whatever. I then added some sunglasses and off I went.
Into the place, a spot you from erase my heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Slow it down, make it bounce.
So I'm seeing a friend today, and I wanted to keep it a little bit low-key, but I still wanted to dress up cute a little bit because I feel like this week just wasn't it styling-wise. And so I put on this skirt and I paired it with my blazer from the beginning of the week because I just love it so much. The top with the color is just doing a lot when it comes to like preppy vibes and like preppy aesthetics, so I wanted to dress it down a little bit. The skirt is really cute and really playful, however just in combination with the top it's still a little bit too preppy for my book, okay? So I paired it with my sneakers and my oversized blazer. I threw on some really cool sunglasses and a tote bag. I really liked the outfit. I really felt myself today. And then I took the train and saw my friend.
To get my name in, someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
My bed's so pretty. I love my bed. I love my bed. I love my bed. It's so great. How you doing? Everything's good? Something troubling you? Do you want to talk about it? Pause. If you want to talk about it, you gotta wait a second. My pasta water is boiling, so I'll be right with you again. Okay, just sit tight for me, okay? Okay, I'm back. So, do you want to talk about anything? Can you hear the water boiling? Is that bothering you? Let's have the conversation another time, okay? Let's have it another time.